When we look up at the night sky, it's hard not to be overwhelmed by the sheer beauty and vastness of the stars. What are we seeing when we gaze upon them? They are more than just distant lights. They are part of God's masterpiece, placed in the heavens to reflect His glory. Reflecting on the magnitude of God's creation. Let us now reflect on God's creation, particularly the stars, that reveal His infinite power, wisdom, and love. When we look at the vastness of the universe, the countless stars and the galaxies stretching out into infinity, it helps us realize how big and yet how intimate God's presence is in our lives. God created the stars with purpose. Psalms 147 says, He counts the number of the stars and calls them all by name. In the immensity of the universe, God knows each star intimately, and He knows each of us in the same way. The stars remind us of God's infinite greatness and His tender care for us, even in the vastness of the cosmos. Scripture reflection. You are the light of the world. A town built in a hill cannot be hidden. Matthew chapter 5 verse 14. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear?